I just got Ice Pop Prime. Why am I doing this? It's because I haven't had this flavor in a while, so I'm gonna taste drink it. We've got this crack open. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells so good. That's so good. But now we have to do the real test now. Ice Pop Prime going in. Ooh, that's so good. It just tastes like Bomb Pops. Just instead of just eating one flavor at once, I get to taste all of them at once. That's very, very good. So what am I gonna rate this? Like a 9 out of 10. This is a little bit of good.